Hey guys, just wanted to give an update on the truck. If you watched the last video, you know that I was having turbo actuator problems. So after waiting about a month, once I ordered it, the Geno's garage actuator, I got it in, installed it. It didn't work exactly right. And so I talked to the designers of it, and they sent me some information, some things to check. They said it was on the truck side. They said the actuator was fine. So I couldn't figure it out. So I took it to a shop called Leadfoot Diesel, and they determined it was the actuator. So I went ahead and got a new turbo with an actuator already on it, and I will be sending the Geno's Garage actuator back to them for their diagnostics, and if it has failed, then they will send me a new one. But I just went ahead and got a new turbo. This one is the ATS Aurora VFR 3000. It's the stage 1. Like I said, it has the new actuator already on it, so got them to install that and good to go. This is a direct bolt-on, you know, nothing changes. All the internals have been updated and changed out to better parts. So I've had it about 4 days now, and I like it so far. But wasn't expecting to get a new turbo, but you gotta do what you gotta do, and hopefully I can get the new actuator from Geno's Garage and sell it. So if anybody would like to buy it, I'll be selling it. So just want to give you an update, and that's where we're at. And thanks for watching.